Welcome to Winning Trades. So today we're going to be doing analysis of the crash and boom indices for a weekly analysis. So we're going to be starting with boom 300. So hopefully to see the direction of the market for the next week. Okay, so for boom 300, we can see this is if we look at the weekly, we can see this has been on a constant downtrend, and we are still in the downtrend. Okay, check the daily, still a downtrend. Check the 4 hours, we are still on a downtrend. Okay, so we're gonna come down to the 1 hour time frame, and you can initially see that we have inverse head and shoulder here. We have inverse head and shoulder, possibly the retracement back up. Okay, so price tried to break, price took out equity right here, price took out equity, and then we can see this buy here. Okay, so this week I'm probably thinking maybe we can have a retracement, let's say from this way, might get somewhere around this point, or might come back to retest this higher low, and that's what I feel, because until price breaks this very higher low here, then we might not see the buy that we're looking for. So it's still a downtrend, but might possibly see a retracement back up for boom 300. So this week we might be seeing a possible buy retracement, unless we see signs of failure for the buys, and then we can continue selling. All right, so that's it for boom 300. I don't want to waste time, so I'll be very fast. So let's go to boom 500. For boom 500, we go to the weekly. You can see this is a downtrend, still selling. You can see daily is now buying. You can see this was the last, this was this, you can see this, there's a market structure shift here. So my possibly see this market is kind of dangerous because we don't know what the rate wants to do, whether they want to sell, whether they want to buy at this point. But if we bring out our Fibonacci tool, bring out your Fibonacci tool, and you do this, you go up here, you can see, go to H4, you can see that market is rejecting the 78.6 level after it broke the 100 level downward. So possibly I'm thinking that price would probably do this, come all the way down to 161.8 level. Okay, because if you see this, we can say that this is A, this is B, probably is going to come down for a third leg. This third leg might come all the way down here. So for this week, I'm looking at a sell for boom 500 up to this trend line here, and you can see this up to the trend line on that daily. Okay, so that's what I'm looking at for boom 500. For boom 1000, boom 1000 has broken out of this major H4 trend line. It's been selling all the way, as we can see, but we've seen some we've seen some momentum buys. Okay, so but we go to the daily, you can see it has broken out of this, it has gone up, and probably might come back to retest this, and then we may look at the buy upwards to this point. So we'll be looking to take that, and then remember, this is our A, this is our B, and then we might be looking for a C trade here. So let's watch out for the completion of this retracement, and then we'll look out for buys for this week. Right now, let's go for boom crash 300. Crash 300, let's see what the weekly has for us. Weekly has been a sell, yeah, weekly has been selling, daily selling, and let me take this Sorry about that, this guy is not leaving. Okay, so now it's been selling. Let's look at the 4 hour. It's still selling. So currently crash 300 is still very bearish. Still very bearish. The 1 hour is still very bearish. As you can see, it's all downtrend. So what we're looking for is a possible retracement for the sell to continue. We'll look at this. Look at this. For those of us that like, this is the third touch, so we might see a possible strong buy up for the sell continuation. So you can see this, the third touch, the 1 2 3, the 1 2 3 touch, and this is so we might possibly see price go up for some time, to maybe at least this point here, or maybe even back to the trend line, since we are ranging. So we might see that. Okay, so we'll look at possible buy, and then when we see rejections we can now sell. That's for crash 300, then crash 500. Let's see. Let's look at the weekly. Let me delete this, delete this, and this. So for the weekly, this crash 500 is still a sell, weekly sell, still selling. Although here we can see there's been this here has been taken out. We can see a market structure shift here. This was a low, former lower low, and they've been seen a structure shift, and market has come all the way back down and has not broken, has now gone to retest the previous low. Has now creating a W pattern here, so probably you might see market go up. So for C500, crash 500, it's a buy for now. Crash 500 is a buy. Let's look at let me see what happens here. So it's a buy for now, and then we'll be targeting this. Target this for this week. Let's see how far the trade goes with buys to that point. Okay, that's for crash 100. So we're looking at the buy on crash 100, then crash 1000. Okay, so crash 1000. Let's look at the weekly. Sorry, I've been doing analysis on this for some time, so let me delete some of this. Okay, so we look at crash 400, you can crash 1000, you can see this. There's been a break of this, so there's been a break of structure, market structure shift. So now we know that we're looking for buys on crash 1000, because this is a lower high that costs, that gave us this lower low. Now price has broken upwards, so we'll be looking at price coming up to at least take out this, at least to this level. We're looking at buys, and then to go further we might also look at price coming all the way to this point. So we are looking for buys all through this week, guys. So that's it for Boom and Crash. This is winning trades, and click the like button, subscribe to our videos if this video was of any value to you, so we keep on, or can be encouraged to do more videos. All right, so I don't want to take so much time, so hopefully we'll see you next time in the next video. Thank you so much. Bye.